my name is Fortunato Restagno. I'm the brand coach at the Personal Coach. And today I have our guest, Brad Amlin. And Brad's going to be joining us at our next TPC generator workshop. We had this event last year. It was an overwhelming success, Brad. And so we've decided to do it again. And we've asked you if you would like to join us and share some of your experiences with some of these millennial advisors. So just to start off, can you share some of the topics that you're going to be talking about?
Sure, Fortunato, thank you. And I'm honored to be actually speaking at the event. Mm-hmm. Some of the things that I'll be talking about is how I got into this crazy business to begin with. Mm-hmm. The foray into purchasing my first business, and then subsequently how we ended up going about purchasing a couple other businesses along the way. Some of the trials and tribulations that we deal with today, and I'm sure that are very relatable to what advisors are currently dealing with. And then creating an exit strategy for how we ended up deciding that we were going to leave the business ultimately. Okay,
fantastic. So one of the things that now that you have more time freedom, you've made your life very fulfilling. And a lot of advisors are pretty overwhelmed and they're pretty heavy into their business and they don't take time for themselves. And we've known right from the get-go that's something that was really important to you. And one of the things you took up was the guitar.
Yes, I did.
So as kind of a surprise here, I brought a guitar with me, and I'm just going to talk a little bit about when the event is and how to register. And I thought maybe you could just kind of play that phrase out for me, if that's
sure,
okay.
Absolutely.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. I know this isn't your guitar, but okay, here we go. I'm not going to sing this, I'm just going to say it because I'm a horrible singer. So the TPC generator event is going to be at the Sheraton Gateway Hotel at the Toronto Airport Terminal 3. And that is May 15th. And you can RSVP on April 12th. And this is an invitation for millennial advisors only. And for more information, just stick around with this video and all the information will follow.